The slope of a curve at any point on it is the reciprocal of twice the ordinate at that point. If the curve passes through 4, 3, then its equation is, so the here slope of the curve means dy by dx is twice reciprocal of twice the ordinate. That means dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into y. Now this can be written as 2y into dy is equal to dx. Applying integral on both sides, 2 into y into dy is equal to integral dx. That is y square is equal to x plus c. This is the required solution of the given equation. If this represents a parabola, this is a curve, this is a parabola. If the parabola passes through the point 4, 3, then its equation is, if it passes through four, 3, that implies 9 is equal to 4 plus c. So therefore c is equal to 5. Now the equation is y square is equal to x plus 5. This is the required equation. Question number 6. The equation of the family of curves whose subtangents means length of the subtangents are of constant length k. The formula for length of subtangent is y by dy by dx. It is a constant length k, that is k. Now this implies y by k is equal to dy by dx. Y by k is equal to dy by dx. Now this is dx by k is equal to dy by y. Now applying integration on both sides, this is 1 by k is constant. Integral of 1 dx means x, that is equal to log mod y. Integral of 1 by y dy means log mod y, plus taking constant is log c. So that implies x by k is equal to log of yc. So that implies yc is equal to e to the power x by k, or y is equal to c into e to the power of x by k, where c is a constant. So that's why we write y is equal to c into e to the power of x by k. That is the required solution of the given differential equation. Question number 7. The equation of the curve passing through pi square by 4, 1, which has a solution of the equation as y square cos root x dx minus 2 root x into e to the power of 1 by y dy is equal to 0. That means this is the given equation. From this equation we want to find the solution of the given differential equation. Solution means equation of the curve which passes through pi square by 4, 1. First of all, we solve this differential equation, that is y square cos root x into dx is equal to 2 into root x into e to the power of 1 by y into dy. Now this is cos root x by 2 root x dx is equal to e to the power of 1 by y square dy. Now applying integration on both sides, Here put root x is equal to t. Applying derivative on both sides, 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. And put 1 by y is equal to z. Applying derivative on both sides, minus 1 by y square into dy is equal to dz. So substituting these values in this equation, cos of root t means cos t, dx by 2 root x means dt. That is equal to integral e to the power 1 by y means z, and dz by y square means minus dz. So integral of cos t means sin t is equal to minus e to the power of z plus c, where sin of t means root x plus e to the power 1 by y is equal to c. Z is equal to 1 by y. If this curve passes through this curve, passes through pi square by 4 comma 1. Now sin of x means pi square by 4. Root of pi square by 4 means pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 plus y is 1 e is equal to c. So that implies c is equal to sin pi by 2 means 1 plus e. Therefore, the equation of the curve is sin root x plus e to the power of 1 by y is equal to 1 plus e. This is the required equation of the curve. Solution of the differential equation, 3x into y dash minus 3y plus x square minus y square whole to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Satisfying the condition y of 1 is equal to 1 is, so here given differential equation is 3x into dy by dx minus 3y minus taking that side minus 3y plus x square minus y square square root of minus square root of, that is. Now dividing on both sides by dy by 3x, that is y by x minus square root of x square minus y square by x square minus y square by x 3x. This is the given differential equation. We want to find the solution of this differential equation. Now this is of the form dy by dx minus 1 by x into y is equal to minus square root of x square minus y square by 3x. No, there is no need of this one. Now this is homogeneous model. This is a homogeneous model. So that's why we're taking the homogeneous equations can be solved by taking y is equal to vx. Put y is equal to vx. So that implies dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So substituting these values on this equation, dy by dx means v plus x into dv by dx. That is equal to y by x. Y by x means v minus the square root of x square minus v square x square by 3x. Now v cancel. Now it is x dv by dx, that is equal to minus square root of 1 minus v square by 3. Now taking x square is common, x both are cancelled, square root of 1 minus v square by 3. So this can be written as minus 3 by root of 1 minus v square dv is equal to dx by x, and then applying integration equation.